Will property management be automated? I don't think so, especially not 100%. So, property management, in case you don't know, has had a lot of automation that's really helped out property management. And this has been in the last 10 years. So, we have things like electronic signature, you have things like owner portals, 24 service hotlines, systems where applications are filled out basically online. A lot of those systems have been implemented in property management company, and a lot of the top property management companies use them. You really have to use them. However, you need to have boots on the ground. And so what does that mean? That means if you have an inspection and somebody needs to see what your property looks like, you need somebody who can go out and take a look at your property. You're also going to have maintenance concerns with your property, and that means you need to have a very competent handyman doing repairs on your property. That's also going to be somebody needs to inspect the work that the handyman's done and meet the handyman. So that's going to mean you're going to need boots on the ground. So it's very critical you have boots on the ground. I don't see that going away. It's really important, and the better the people are in your property management company, the better your service, your overall experience is going to be. So it's not going to be automated. I think you're seeing about as far as we can take it. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there'll be a little bit more automation. But for the most part, the top companies have it really efficient. And you're also seeing boots on the ground that give you the kind of service you need.